If you want to make Framer templates, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to turn an existing Framer project into a reusable template so you can save time, duplicate your best designs, and quickly adapt them for new websites. This is a great workflow if you build sites often, sell templates, or just want a faster way to start new projects without designing everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is go to your Framer dashboard. This is where all of your projects are listed, and it's the best place to choose the design you want to turn into a template. Take a moment to locate the project that you want to use as your base. Ideally, this should be a clean, well-structured project that already has the layout, sections, and styling you want to reuse later. Once you've found the right project, move your cursor over the free label. When you hover over it, you'll notice that it changes into a three-dot icon. That's the menu you need. Click on those three dots to open the project options. From the menu, choose Duplicate. This creates a full copy of your project, which is exactly what you want when building a template. Duplicating keeps your original project safe while giving you a separate version to customize for future use. After the duplicate is created, open the copied project and start replacing the content with the details for your new website. This might include changing text, swapping images, updating buttons, adjusting links, and making sure the branding matches the new client or new use case. If your template is going to be reused often, it's a good idea to keep the structure flexible and organized. Try to use clear section names, reusable components, and consistent spacing so the template is easier to edit later. Also, make sure any placeholder content is obvious so you or anyone else using the template knows exactly what needs to be replaced. As you work, check the page carefully from top to bottom. Confirm that headings, images, icons, calls to action, and navigation all make sense for the new site. This is the part that turns a regular project into a practical Framer template. You want it to be polished, easy to understand, and ready for reuse. Once everything looks good, save your changes and keep that project as your template version. You can always duplicate it again whenever you need to build another website quickly. So that's how to make Framer templates using your Framer dashboard, duplicate option, and content replacement workflow. It's fast, simple, and incredibly useful if you want to speed up your design process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Framer tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.